Beautiful village, very charming. South of France, in the mountain, in the Pyrenees. I think it's an hour drive from the beach, from the sea. Okay. So it's a village house. It's a townhouse. It runs $59,000. Okay, so let's see 100 m² in square feet. Okay, square foot. So you see it's a little over 1,000 square foot. Okay. Alright, so it's a 3-room. And let's go take a look on the map where Le Vivier in the 66 it's located. Okay, we find it. We get it. Alors, not sure. You have it? Le Vivier. Okay, about 66. Okay, I think we get it now. So there is no photo. Let's unzoom. So it's fairly close to the sea. Okay, we are about 45 minutes from the sea. Okay, and maybe an hour from Spain. So you see, it's pretty close to Spain. Okay, let's go back on the ad. All right. So don't forget this website called IAD Immobilier is English friendly. Okay, so you can look for houses on your own. Okay, you go here, buy, and alright. You don't need to understand French for this website. English friendly, okay. Alright, let's take a look at the photo. Okay, so look like that's the village. So this is where the house is located. So this is the house. It's a townhouse. All stone. Okay, very charming. Alright, so this is the inside. That's the dining room, living room, all the room. It's very bright. It's beautiful. I like the tile. The kitchen is fairly big. So this is the main room. We can see a big fireplace. You see, beautiful fireplace. It's very charming. Kitchen, old school. Okay, so the ceiling look pretty high. That's good. There's a lot of space. Okay, so this is upstairs. So the ceiling here is much lower. Oh, they put 3 beds. So the view is beautiful. Very nice view. Alright, so that's another room. I'm not sure. Okay, we can see a fox. A real fox, actually. Wow, they have double sink. Old school. Little old. But double sink. You can see a shower. Okay. Look like some sort of basement under the house. So this is the house. So they want to show the roof. Sure, so the roof look okay. Look like they fix it here and there. Oh, I like the one on the right. It's beautiful. It's always good to go with the pro and to do a survey to see if nothing's going on, any leaking. Alright, so this is where the house is located. Let me know what you think in the comment. Close to $60,000. Maybe it's negotiable. Maybe you can negotiate. And let's take a look at the next house. Okay, so the poor people's gonna be happy. 25,000 euro. It's around $28,000. Actually, let's do the conversion to see. Paf. So how much is it? No, $29,000. Okay. So it's under $30,000. So it's 40 m². It's not too big. Let's do the conversion. It's 430 square feet. Okay. 430 square feet. 3 rooms. Okay, so it's a village house. And let's check on the map where Saint-Paul de Fenouillet is located. Paf. Alors, Saint-Paul de Fenouillet. Oh, I think we did that city already, yeah? Oh, yeah. So it looks like this is the second house in this village. Okay. But it's very nice. Huh? It's beautiful. I really like it. You can see, so this is where the house is located. It's very charming. Wow, you can see a castle on the top of the mountain. So you see the way they build houses. It's like they build it into the mountain. It's very nice. So you can swim. Okay. Let's check the map. Let's on zoom. So it's like an hour drive, even less, 45 minutes from the sea. Okay, from the beach. Alright, so that's where we are. South of France. Let's go back on the ad. Let's take a look at the photo. There is only a photo. It's better than nothing. Okay. So we can see a big kitchen. Okay. So I think it used to be a fireplace here. You can see the exhaust here. Not sure. But the kitchen is fairly big. It's just old. That's what you get for $29,000. So look like that's the main entrance, the door, just right here. Okay, so we can see a small living room. So it's a village house, so you get some neighbor right in the front when you open the window. So, alright, a small bathroom, the shower, small bedroom. Okay, see the ceiling? Something's going on. Maybe the humidity. Oh yeah, even on the bed. See that? Yeah, look like the roof. There is a roof problem. Okay, so this is the house. Okay, it's a town house, village house. So the roof need to be checked definitely because of the dripping inside. You see, you can see the water drip. There is something's going on in the ceiling. So it's always good to go with a pro and to do a survey to see how much it's gonna cost. So in France, to fix the roof is between, it's around 200 euro by the mètre carré. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the next house. We're gonna take a look at another house with a beautiful view. The house is located in Prat de Sournia. Prat de Sournia in the 66 department, and it's 39,000 euro, which is around $42,000. Okay, so the house is 72 mètres carrés. Let's do the conversion quick. Well, it's almost 800 square feet. So it's a 4-room. Okay, so don't forget, this website is English speaking friendly. Okay, so the whole website can be in English. Okay, so do not hesitate. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can search on your own. Okay, so let's take a look on the map where Prat de Sournia is located. Okay, so it's Pyrénées Oriental, which is not too far from the sea, I believe. Maybe an hour drive or less. Let's put, for example, Canet-en-Roussillon, just right here. I know it's a beach. Okay. So let's put that in the GPS. Let's see how long does it take to go to Canet-en-Roussillon. How long does it take to go to the beach? An hour, you see? So it's around an hour, okay? Wow. See the road? Lot of zigzag. Zig and zag. Okay, so let's on zoom. South of France, not too far from Spain, okay? Let's go back on the ad. Let's take a look at the photo. Alright, so I think that's the one in the middle. Not the big one on the left. Just this, okay? So this is the entrance, just right here. So it's pretty much like a townhouse. There's 3 floors, 2 floors. Oh, so that's the view from the house. Okay, the village looks quiet. South of France. So Yeah, there is a garage here. I don't know if it's part of the deal, but the view is very nice. Huh? It's beautiful. There is a little kitchen. Oh, there is even a fireplace. $42,000. Okay. But you need to be refreshed, right? You can see some mold, or I don't know what's going on. It's pretty dark. Oh, the window, I think that's the thicker window, you see. So winter time is safe. Keep the heat much better. We can see a room here. It's a bedroom. So that's a bedroom. Okay. That's another room. Okay, a small cabinet. Bathroom under the stairs. That's another bathroom. Okay, big closet. Alright. So that's what you get for $42,000. South of France, 1 hour from the beach. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. If you prefer houses in the mountain, closer to the sea, let's check the next house.